Framing process for photos, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Aligning your photo with the mat board. Lay your photo on top of the mat board, ensuring it's centered and aligned just the way you want it. Step 2. Securing the photo. Use tape or adhesive to carefully secure the photo to the mat board, ensuring it stays in place. During securing, you can place sandbags or other heavy objects in the central area of the photo to prevent it from shifting. Step 3. Placing it in the frame. Gently slide the matted photo into the frame, taking care not to smudge or damage the photo. Step 4. Cover the matted photo with lightweight foam board or mount the matted photo directly to the adhesive foam board. If you just cover the photo with foam board without sticking it to the board surface, you can still change the photo whenever you want. Here you have it, your photo is well framed and ready to sell. Hang with removal tape or hooks, providing double security.